Hi, my name is Robert Noon, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notification and never missing any new videos. So in this video, I will show you how much money does Steve Ramsey make on YouTube. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. Steve Ramsey started his YouTube journey back on August 2nd, 2008. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 935,000. Total amount of views are 143,000. Average daily subs are at 1,314. Monthly subs is currently 39,424. Now daily income. And this is going to be an estimate. His daily views is currently 199,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. So his daily income is going to be $597. His monthly income is $17,910. Annual revenue. And this is going to be an estimate. Income is $214,920. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $118,206. Now Steve Ramsey also does merchandise. And he actually sells a lot. He's very known for his merch. This is some pictures of his merch that he sells on his channel. Now he currently has 935,000 subscribers, and let's say 1% of his subscriber buys a shirt, that's 9,350. Average price point for his shirts are $20. He makes $10 profit per shirt. 9,350 times 10 is 93,500 per month. 93,500 times 12 is $1,122,000. Thank you guys. Free audiobook. Link in the description. Check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.